My people, another news don't come out too. This popular TikToker, a boyfriend just take her life. Don't announce verse say they break this news, all those news come because now waiting this channel they about because I received one a comment when he tell me say nobody want listen to negativity. My brother or my sister, you when you write that comment now waiting this channel they about, okay? News anything when I see I will bring her out, okay? As this TikToker, now if you date TikTok you will know this girl, this popular TikToker. Now boyfriend just spy her life. Now this boy who they see for year with her picture now just take her life. This boy they do 419 online, they do all those yahoo to catch people online. Now they do okay, as they say he one person one pay and he can't ask this TikToker, this Nigeria TikToker girl say make she bring her account. Now the girl can't give the guy account. Then the person when pay in to the girl, the person don't already pay. Then now this boyfriend call the call and say the person don't tell me that he don't pay into your account. Bring the money, and the guy will tell her in percentage when they say the girl want take. The girl say one. Later the girl say the person not pay, say money not enter your account. Okay, now the guy call tell her and say okay, no, he said the season. He said bank season. Now this guy, this 27 years old guy from Nigeria, Enugu, he call tell us okay, bring the evidence. Say bank collect the money. This guy so he no green. They answer the boy again. When the boy want, if the boy they try to call the girl go they dodge the boy call. Okay, this guy so he still get another boyfriend when she date. She they date this guy, she they date that one. Now that one now come a general her now say make she not give this guy. Say make she collect the money. It come from inside the money, rent out for a boyfriend. Now she wants to use the money for inside to buy car. The guy when they strong go online, when they find where he want for collect another person's sweat. This guy now, not see the money. Then this slave queen, her name for TikTok, that slave queen, very beautiful girl, she just graduated. No. People, let your thing they enter your eye. The little thing you get, be contented with it. Don't let another person own enter your body. God will do your own. Now money you not get, the little cent when you get, be contented with it. God one day, God go bless you. Because this girl, this slave queen, so if you not get TikTok, go get TikTok. Go know the price of wetin be lion. This girl they receive lion. This girl they receive a sport car. You go say I need sport car. You go say power car. No. Which person sweat comfy entered? You see, Opu eye. This girl just graduate this year. She just graduate this year. My people, he pay me. Beautiful girl. Wetin you want to tell those your nephew and niece when they do TikTok? Those small children. I bleed for them. May our thing they enter our eye. Be content with wetin you get and wetin you have. This guy now, this Enugu guy, he can't they try to reach this her girlfriend. Break the money. The girl not bring money. He said bank says okay, break the evidence. Let me see if bank really sees her. This girl he not agree. He said the boy they call this girl not they pick. The boy try to reach this girl not green. This boy reach out to Ram again. Now the boy go meet her for a place. As say the boy meet her, now the boy push her. Now he carry her, face hit wall. Now she collapse for there, die. Okay, this boyfriend, the other boyfriend, when she not die for this guy, this guy just handsome, still they okay reach. He they struggle. As you are bad this guy real love him. As now want to make out now not the promise. If your brother Pepsi just hammer like this. Not be something the boy do na see better thing, no. But those people when you see they do online, they will tell you now say millions day. Say if you bring out 1 cent, say you will receive. All of na be Yahoo, na be 419 together. All of na be 419 because those online when una dey pay, because na something una dey pay for, una no even care say that person, that thing when they want bring out, so say that person in own, in fact you go still pay now. Na not dey o. Na how una want to collect that person. Mugu jam mugu for abi gaima for mugu for gaima work. Na be that all those one no dey pay, because if you dey online and you listen to this my YouTube, anybody tell you say na so one thing, one big money they should bring, no mind them. If you see strange number, you know understand, block the, not even follow the exchange word, block the automatic. Now when you follow the exchange word, your eyes still open, you can't jam the one when you open pass your own. Then I take the job now. So my people, now the news why break come out for una, now be that this slave queen now, she buys the boy money. Now the boy say no, all those is sweat. You don't even know whether the boy don't even pass all the papalawo, all the Yahoo plus, or now you don't even know whether he don't even use the life to even do the Yahoo. To take me count, you don't even know. You want just chop the money like that without your liability boyfriend when you they die for. You just collect your money, go rent her for your liability. He know they work. He know, and you just graduate. You don't get dream. How much? How much? You want go buy car? You want show her for social? We the social media children, may we be careful. May we use our sense. May we they use our sense. Not compete with anybody. This one is my advice. Do not compete with anybody. Be contented. If now even one cloth now you wear around. Nobody they see you, you know they see anybody. You are okay on your own. These girls, you don't die now. The people when want show up with that car now, when you want use person money when it's thief buy now, they'll follow enter grave. No. And if you be mother for that, I know many mothers, many fathers that they encourage their children, that they advise their children. But many now, my people, the children nowadays, you know they see the latest iPhone, the latest this, the latest human hair. They want wear. I beg if you dey out there, step by step. Now they climb upstairs. If you remember who get here, me here. Step by step. Now they climb upstairs. Then take your life step by step. One day you will dey there. One day you will climb. One day God will answer your prayer. Don't rush, so that rush will not take your life. Take it easy. Now online, social media, you can use your phone to make money. You can open YouTube. You can do anything. You can do. I so rest in peace. I don't know what I'll talk again. I so rest in peace. Yes, I sympathize with the family. If she dey come life again, if not true, and person thing no enter her eye. Bye. Please subscribe.
Don't come very gentle guy now. Don't come very gentle guy. Don't come very gentle guy now. What do I know? He's against the Lord now. What do I know?
Since power over me.